Hey, and welcome to Just Chevy Trucks and LSX for you. Today we're doing a quick video showcasing our reman short blocks that we put together here in-house. We basically send out the blocks, have them machined. In fact, I believe this one came in at 30 over. Flat top pistons, although they do have valve relief, so that's kind of a misnomer. This is an LS3 family engine, meaning it could have come out of a Denali with a 6.2, could have come out of a Camaro. It's basically, we start with the aluminum block, go from there. We use a rebuild kit. It's nothing particularly performance about it. We've gotten 600 horse out of these engines without any problems, incidences. The lower end, we use the large dimpled rods. As I said, flat top pistons, they are not forged. The crank is a stock crank that has either been cut or polished, whatever it takes. This one, as you can see, we've highlighted it, 6.2 liter. Back cover would be on it, ready for lifters down in here. Cam, we do put fresh cam bearings in it because that is a bit of a trick, and in fact the easiest way to ruin one of these blocks is to screw up cam bearings. There's not a whole lot you can do after that. So if you're looking for a great starter, here it is. When I say it's balanced to factory specs. Whatever the factory had it at is where it is now. So if you're interested in a great starter kit, we have it. Give us a call or drop us a line through eBay. We also have these videos on YouTube. We're pretty accessible. You can look us up on the internet. Thank you.